Building email automations based on page visits is a game changer when it comes to personalized marketing. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up these automations step by step and help you take advantage of highly targeted email campaigns based on your visitors' behavior. So what's the benefit of using page visits for automations? Simple. It allows you to trigger specific email actions based on exactly what content someone's engaging with on your site. This creates a more personalized, relevant experience, which means higher conversions and better engagement. And here's the best part. Once you have it set up, it runs on autopilot. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you need is to select a software that allows you to track page visits and trigger automations. We'll be using our software for this demo, but most modern tools like this have the same features. If you want to follow along with the exact tool I'm using today, make sure you check out the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel. Once you're logged into your software, the first thing you need to do is set up your automation. You'll want to create a new workflow or campaign. And when prompted, select Page Visit as your trigger. This means every time someone visits a page, you can set specific actions for what happens next. Now, the real magic happens when you define the pages that will trigger these actions. Think about which pages on your site are most important or where people are likely to make a decision. For example, if someone visits your pricing page, you may want to send them a follow-up email with a discount code or more information about your product. You'll want to create segments for each of these pages. Segments based on behavior, like a visit to your product page or a checkout page. You can use these segments to send targeted emails based on what they've seen. This level of personalization is what truly makes these automations so powerful. Next, you can decide what kind of email to send. You could send a welcome email, a discount offer, or maybe an educational resource. The goal is to align the email's content with what the person is most interested in, based on the page they visited. Make sure the email provides value and feels natural, rather than too salesy. For example, if they visited a specific product page but didn't purchase, you could send a reminder email offering them a discount or simply inviting them to ask questions. The key is to keep your message aligned with what they were looking at, so it feels relevant. Once your emails are set up, test your automation by visiting the pages yourself and seeing if the triggers work as expected. Don't worry, it's easy to test, and your software will give you the ability to see how everything works before going live. Key takeaway. Email automations based on page visits are a powerful way to engage your audience with relevant content. You create these automations by selecting page visit as the trigger, segmenting your audience based on the pages they visit, and sending targeted emails that match their interest. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below, so you can follow along with this software and start building your automations today. To recap, you've learned how to create an automation workflow, set page visits as triggers, segment visitors based on their behavior, and send personalized, value-packed emails. By applying this strategy, you'll take your email marketing to the next level and see better results.